Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking new perspective Excel 2019 Module 1 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. I will guide you through this assignment, this project step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your project by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quizzes, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the screen. Let's start our project. Title of project is that New Perspective Excel 2019 Module 1 SAM Critical Thinking Project 1C. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assessment, many more courses. Open the file NP Excel 19, first last name, available from download from SAM website. Basically, in this question, it says you can download your Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard, or you can download this on SAM website. It will be available on SAM website. You can download it easily from your school, your class portal. Okay, right click on this save and save on this. Remove one and enter two and then save it. Okay, this is done now. This is getting started. You can download this file easily from your SAM website. I have also downloaded this file from SAM website. Okay, getting started is done now with the NP XP19 CTI first last name 2XLS still open. Ensure that your first and last name is displayed in cell B6 of the documentation sheet. It says this file name will be displayed on your Excel file and in B6. Okay, click on documentation sheet. It will be shown name in cell B6. Okay, okay, you can see it will be shown in cell B6. If cell B6 does not display your name, okay, delete the file and download the new copy from SAM website. Okay, project step is that as the office administrator, you use Excel to maintain personal data and summarize cash flow. You are finalizing the personal and cash flow worksheet for the current week. The personal worksheet needs cleanup. Start by moving the two cells of title information one column to the left. Resize the column to be fit the newly included information. Okay, the personal worksheet needs cleanup. Click on personal worksheet and start by moving the two cells of title information one column to the left. Okay, you can cut this and then personal column to the left. Okay, it will be pasted left. Resize the column to be fit the newly included information. Okay, select this column and auto with column. This is done now. Go to the format tab and then click on auto with column. Okay. Now moving on. Next step is step number 2. Step number 2 is that change the width of you can select for this column, click on format and click on auto fit with column. Okay, it will be change column width, auto with column. Okay, project step number 2 is that change the width of the column containing salaries to match the width of the column containing commissions. Okay, basically in this step we will have to change the width of column containing series to match the width of column containing. You can select this column C and right click on this column width and then you can see this column width and then you can right click on this and then you can change this width of column 11.71 and then press OK. It will be matched to columns series and commission. Column will be matched with. Okay, this is done now. Now moving on question number 3. Step number 3. In step number 3 is that the salary and commission columns need to be completed. Enter the data shows in the table 1 in the appropriate cells. Data for the range B14 to C16. Okay, you can enter this data in column B 14 and then B 15 and then B 16 respectively. You can edit this data. Okay, and then data C 14 B 16 is 92.08 and then in column C 14, 15 and 16 you can add this data. Okay, the email need to be filled in as well. Start by entering albert.luna.sange at the rate of sange.com in the corresponding cell. Fill the remaining emails using flash fill. You can copy this and then then enter email in cell D5 albert.luna at the rate of sangi.com. At the rate of sangi.com. Fill the remaining sangi.com. Okay, click on flash button, fill button and then flash fill. Okay, this is done now. You can see I have done 4 steps. Now step number 5 is that the column containing emails could set a bit more space at the sides. Change the width to 36.00. You can copy this range, you can copy this data and then we will have to change the width of column. Right click on this column D and column width is change the data in 36.00. Then press OK. It will be changed the width of column D. Now step previous step is we have to enter this data 5.19 and then 0.00 23.22 0.00 23.5.00 5.19 and 23.22. Okay, this is done now. Okay, step 6 is the employees information table also needs to show the total salaries and total commission. Start by entering the word total under the final employee's name. The employees information table also needs shows the total salary and total commission. Okay, total B is 17, and then is equal to sum function, and then press enter, it will be, and then B5 to B16, then press enter, it will be shows total, and then B16, and then is C16 is equal to C17 is equal to sum, and then C5 to C16, then press enter, it will be shown value of total in cell C17. Okay. This is done now. Step number 7 is that use a function to calculate the total sales in the appropriate cell. Use the same function to calculate the total commissions. Use the same function to calculate the total commission. Okay, and then you can see the same function to calculate the total commission. This is done now. Now moving on to step number 8. I have done 7 steps of this assignment right now. Step number 8 is that to finish up the worksheet, it should also shows the total number of employees as well as the average commission. Start by entering number of employees in the left shaded cell below the employees information table, average commission in the bottom left shaded cell. Okay, to finish up the total, it should also shown the total number of employees as well as the average. It should the total number of employees as well as the average commission. Start the entering number of employees as the top left shaded cell below. Okay, you can see and match this. Okay, number of employees in cell A19, and then okay, number of employees as the top left shaded, and average commission as the bottom left shaded. Bottom left shaded cell. Okay, average commission and here. Okay, this is done on number of employees and average commission. Okay, this step is done now. Now moving on next step. Okay, you can see I have done half a project. For remaining question, or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses: accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, assess, and many more courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video. Best of luck.